Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Joseph from IT.Tutorials. We are going to learn how to print text on multiple lines in C. And I'll show you two different ways to do it using the printf function. In this video, I'll cover how printf works in C, two options to print on multiple lines, when to use each option. First, let's open your IDE or text editor. Either you use Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, Code Blocks, or any other IDE or text editor. So first, create a new C console project, or open or create a new C file in Visual Studio Code. So let's go to Visual Studio Code and let's coding. The first option to print multiple lines in C is to use three calls of function printf. So let's do it. So here is the first option, using three separate printf calls, one for each line. As you can see, each of these lines, actually the first two lines, I mean the code line 5 and 6, is ended with this new character backslash and n. As you can see, I don't need here another new line character, because actually I don't have anything after this statement. So this new line will make the statement of line 6 to go on the next line, and here this new line character will make this statement from line 7 to go on the next line. So let's run this code. So here you go, here is our result. As you can see, all the lines are on a separate line. As you can see, this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. So this is the first option to sort this solution, namely to print on multiple lines. This option is clean and straightforward, perfect when each line is separate or handled conditionally. The second option uses a single printf call with embedded new line characters. So let's see the second option. Let's code. Here you go, this is the second option. This option is more compact, great for printing a block of text in one go. As you can see, I have embedded this new line character twice. Yeah, here at the end of this line is not needed to insert the new line character, because we have nothing after this line. Okay, let's clear the terminal and let's run this code again. As you can see, we receive the same result. So these are the two options to print on multiple lines in C using printf and new line character. You noticed that the output is exactly the same in the terminal or in the console if you work in Visual Studio. It's all about your coding style and what works best for your program. So that's it, two easy ways to print on multiple lines in C using printf function and new line character. If this helped you, give the video a like, Subscribe for more coding tutorials and drop a comment if you want to learn more about C or any other programming language. Thanks for watching and happy coding!